What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, the parts are flowing, dude. Like, the parts are flowing. Like, hold on. Actually, I didn't even get to show you this. The lift is actually up. The lift was not up the last time we were out here. All the rest of the shelves are up. Looks like the angle iron came in, so we can finish bracing those. If you see on this side, the shelves are kind of braced up. Gonna finish bracing those, but the new lift is up and anchored in the flow. It's ready to do work. It's gonna be a little better than the old lift. The old lift did the job, but this one was just a little better. But there's lots of parts coming. We're gonna show you the big stuff first, but here we go real quick. These are all for Lee's Fox body. We got the McLeod clutch, flywheel, throb bearing, modern drive line. I don't know what that is. It says modern drive line, but anyway, you got the Stifler's cross member. You got to have the Stifler's cross member and all that. And then of course, I showed you he's got his Cook's headers, Cook's X pipe, and then he's got the oil pump gears and billet crank sprocket. But now we've got some big stuff in the truck here, so let's go see. All right, guys, so as you can see, large crate. I do apologize for the wind. It's a little windy today, and I do not have my dead cat, so just bear with me. But there you go. Look at that. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a 2017 Mustang engine. This is all for Lee's car, but it's still in the crate. Dover's getting the tractor there. And then also, oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, T56 Magnum. And then over there, quick time bell housing. But let's get this stuff in the shop. Come back up. You putting the crank on the wood? There we go. Good. Yeah. So here it is, the T56 Magnum. Holy God almighty. Guys, I actually priced this kit. Drive shaft, shifter, trans, bell, everything.
Lee even got him a hat, huh?
About $5,900.
Lee even got him a hat.
Look at that, I swear. I didn't get a hat. See, I didn't get anything. Oh, well. Yeah, that's pretty, guys. Got the fluid. Got all, what are these? Flywheel bolts. Looks like 26 ply input. Yeah, I don't know what it looks like. Clutch fork. Yeah. Big, pretty Magnum. That's gonna be a heck of a ride right here.
Pretty, man.
And look, like I showed you guys earlier, he's already got the McLeod clutch, got the Stifler's cross member. Right here is the QuickTime bell housing. So, and then of course the 2017 Mustang engine, brand friggin' new. So this is not a truck engine. This is not a used engine. This is I guess like a parts overrun is what you call these things. Some guy buys them from Ford in bulk and sells them, whatever Ford doesn't need. So apparently he's got a lot. But yeah, that's gonna be nice. All right, guys. So a quick couple more updates real quick. Got a nice little desk area here. We're gonna hang a TV on the wall right here, and got some file cabinets just to keep paperwork in order. We even got an open sign. How about the open sign? And then the bathroom. There it is. So you got a toilet over there. You got some insulation. So this is where the magic's gonna happen right here. And we got some parts already stored up there on top of the bathroom. Just keep that stuff out of the way. And then of course, got a pile of Lee's stuff sitting over there. Just keep all the customer parts separate so we know what's just which. And whew, starting to look like something, isn't it?
Getting close.
And again, all the shelves done, lifts done. Just need a little more electricity. Gonna be awesome. The cars are coming very soon. Now Lee's car, this is a convertible, isn't it?
93 convertible.
93 convertible. It's black, if I'm not mistaken. But there's his brand new engine right there. Brand new trans. So this is gonna be a fun build, and there may or may not be a Whipple coming. We'll see. Just depends on how he feels after the massive wallet hit that is coyote swapping. All right, guys, so there you have it. Again, quick view. That's pretty much it. There's still a little bit of electrical wiring we got to do in the shop to just get power and everything to it. But other than that, we are in business. We are in business. We got obviously the parts showing up. Cars coming very soon. Again, he didn't want to give him the go ahead just yet because we weren't 100% done. But yep. Dover, you ready to build some cars and stop doing construction?
Yes. I don't like this.
Yeah, like that was the main consensus from Corey, Ken, Cody. We don't like construction. We prefer cars, and it's also been a little frustrating because we haven't been able to do a lot of car builds on the channel for you. So, but the cool thing is everything is pretty much done, and we're gonna get back to doing what we love, which is car builds. So. Again, if you have not subscribed on the Patreon page and gotten your spot in the 500, you need to hit that now. The link is right below you while you still have time, and your car can be built right here in the shop. And if you are a customer and you're serious, email is in the description. Let us know, and we do good work. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and catch you very soon. Later, guys.